So, meron tayong discriminant problem here. Ang discriminant b squared minus 4ac gives information concerning the nature of the roots. And if b squared minus 4ac, yung discriminant, is less than 0, then there are no real roots. Ibig sabihin, imaginary ang kanyang roots. And if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then mayroon siyang real roots, pero equal to each other yung kanyang roots. And if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Or ito yung tinatawag na two distinct real roots. So, let's do the number 1. So, meron tayong x squared plus 6x plus 9. So, ito yung kanyang formula, b squared minus 4ac. So, meron tayong ito. So, discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac is equal to b squared. Ito yung b, 6. b is equal to 6. So, it becomes 6 squared minus 4 times a. a is 1. And then, c is 9. Kasi ito yung generic formula, generic equation ng quadratic function. ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ito yung mga a, yung mga number before x, b is 6, and c is 9. So, ganito siya. So, c is equal to 9. So, 6 times 6 is 36. And then 4 times 1 times 9 is also 36. So, 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So, the discriminant of number 1 is 0. So, 0. Yes, baby. Okay. And then the nature, when the discriminant is 0, then the nature of the roots, so, is the roots are real and equal. So, the roots are real and equal. So, yan yung number 1. And then number 2, x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, let's do that one. So, this is number 2. So, b is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, b squared, so b is a minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1, because 1 yung before x, tsaka ang c niya is 1 din. 1 times 1. So, this is equal to minus 2 times a minus 2 is a plus 4. And then 4 times 1 times 1 is a 4. So, it's also a 0. So, ang kanyang discriminant ay also 0. And when it's 0, the roots are real and equal. So, number 3, we have x squared minus 7x. So, number 3, b squared minus 4ac. Okay. So, b squared is a minus 7. So, minus 7 squared minus 4 times a and c. a is 1 and c is 12. 1 and then 12. So, calculate natin ito. 7 times 7 is 49. Minus 4 times 1 times 12 is a 48. And this is equal to 1. So, ang kanyang discriminant ay 1. And, let's see. So, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So, that means the roots are real and unequal, or they have two distinct real roots. So, the roots are real and unequal, or there are two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. And then let's do number 4, x squared minus 9. So x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So ito yung ating formula. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So b squared here, wala siyang b, kaya 0. And then 4 times a is 1. And then c is a minus 9. So calculate natin ito. So 4 times 1 times 9 is 36. And there are two minus sign that makes it positive. So plus 36. So here is a plus 36. So let's look at our chart. So 36 ang kanyang discriminant. So it's greater than 0. So the roots are real and unequal. So the roots are real and unequal, or two distinct real roots. And then last one, x squared minus 6x plus 12. Let's do it right here. So x squared minus 6x plus 12 equals 0. So ito yung number 5. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So b is equal to a minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12. So this is equal to 36 minus 4 times 1 times 12 is equal to 48. Now 36 minus 48 is a minus 12. So ang discriminant niya ay minus 12. And when the discriminant is less than 0, because it's negative here, it's less than 0, minus 12. So ang kanyang discriminant ay, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real roots. So there are no real roots. Ibig sabihin ang kanyang roots are imaginary. So ito ang kanyang answer. So